Welcome to my class. Today I am going to show the demo how to execute XAMPP server or how to execute PHP code using XAMPP server. So XAMPP server is the open source web server which is used to work with PHP and MySQL. So let me show the demo. The XAMPP server can be downloaded by this particular link. XAMPP can put in the Google XAMPP download. So you will get this particular link, apachefriends.org. From there you can download this XAMPP web server. So you have to click the corresponding link. So XAMPP for Windows and XAMPP for Linux and XAMPP for OS X. So all these things are there. So you have to uh, select the appropriate link. So currently I want to download 8.0.10. So I have to click this particular link. And the size of the web server is very minimum. So you can see 158 MB, 160 MB, 161 MB. So I have already downloaded in the this particular laptop. So I have to start the XAMPP server by typing XAMPP control panel or XAMPP. So you can see here when I am typing XAMPP, it is showing that XAMPP control panel. So once you have downloaded, so I have posted a separate video for how to download and this XAMPP web server and how to install in your machine. And also for WAMP also I have put a separate video. You can see it in this channel. So to start this XAMPP control panel, just click this XAMPP control panel. So you will get control panel like this. So you have to click this Apache and MySQL button. You have to click this start button for both Apache and MySQL. You can see the status here. Status change detected is running. Similarly, MySQL also you have to click the start button and you have to see the status whether it is changed to running or not. If any other web server is running in your system, sometimes this may not start. So you have to stop by using the services option. You have to stop that particular web server and then only you have to start this XAMPP web server. Then after that, to check whether this XAMPP server is working or not, you go to the browser and just type http:/localhost or you can type localhost. So http:/localhost. If you are getting this information, Apache friends, that is XAMPP is nothing but Apache, MariaDB, PHP, all. So that is the abbreviation for AMP. So XAMPP means, so it is for the web server for Windows. Then after that, what you have to do is you have to check whether the web server is perfectly working or not. You have to just click Notepad. So you can execute your program or PHP script either by Notepad or Notepad++ or any other editor. I am just typing a simple code here. So PHP code. We have to use lesson symbol, question mark, PHP. Then after that, print or echo statement. Print or echo statement you can put and you can type good evening. Good evening. Then after that, semicolon, question mark, greater than symbol. So this is a simple PHP code or script. We used to call it as a script, PHP script. So here you should see this less than symbol question mark PHP is nothing but your similar like your start tag in your HTML, and print statement or echo statement, it is used to display the output of your program in the browser, and question mark greater than symbol, it is the end tag for your program. Then after that you just save this particular program. So one thing you should remember, you should save it in a particular place as follows. So you have to save it in the particular place. So go to the C colon. There only I have installed my XAMPP server. So go to that C colon XAMPP server and navigate to the folder called htdocs, hypertext documents. So that is the folder called htdocs. So under that htdocs, you create a separate folder. For example, I am creating a folder called demo. So I am creating a new folder with the name called demo. Okay. So in that particular folder, I have to save this particular PHP. So its folder name is demo. Then after that, I am saving this particular file as test.php. So I can give it in a small case test.php. So save. This is very important. You have to save it as all files. And after that, you can click save. Now you have to check whether the web server is working or not. So, or you can execute the file. Again, you type HTTP localhost. Remove this particular dashboard. It will show the virtual directory which you have created in the system. So I am typing localhost here. It is again going to the dashboard, or you can type the URL like this: that localhost slash demo. You can see the file here, test.php. You can execute that by just clicking the test.php. You are getting the output as good evening. So this is a simple script. Now I want to retrieve a data from my MySQL table. So how to work with MySQL in XAMPP server? So for that, what you have to do is open a new browser. It will take you to the MySQL page. So http :/localhost /php myadmin. So this is the place, or this is a URL by which you can access your MySQL database. PHP myadmin. So this is your MySQL database place where you can create database and table. Now I am going to create a new database here. So new database means you just click it here, or you can click this database tab. I am going to create a new database called demo. Just click create. So database is easily created. So you can see in the left hand side, the demo database has created. So one thing you should remember, a database can have n number of tables. So under this demo folder, I am going to create a table. So here demo, and I am going to create a table called student, and number of columns for that particular table student is 3. Just click go. So very simple user interface. So you can create the table. Now you have to give the field name. So I am giving name. department number, so D number, DNO, and age. And you have to select the data type. For name varchar, department number also varchar, and age I am leaving it as integer. So length I have to specify for each field. So name I am giving 20, and department number I am giving 10, and age I am giving 10. So just leave the storage engine as it is, InnoDB. Then no need to do anything. Just click save option. Your table is created in fraction of minutes. So you can see the table structure. So you want to make some change or edit all these things, you can do it here. So now I am going to insert the value. For inserting the value, just click the insert tab and I am giving value. Name I am giving Anand. Department number 19 UCA 001 and age is 19. I am just writing going to insert another value. So Ramesh, and department number is 19 UCS 001 and name age is 19. So just you have to click go. The value is inserted. So go to that SQL option. So click the SQL tab and just click go. It will even the system has created the query select star from student. So just click go. It will show the values inserted into your table. Anand 19 UCS 001, age 19, Ramesh 19 UCS 001, age 19. So I have created two records for this particular table. Now we are going to see how to retrieve the data from this particular table. For that you need to write the coding. So very simple coding. So let me show the coding here. So this is the simple coding where you can retrieve the data from your MySQL table. So PHP code to retrieve data from MySQL using XAMPP. So the very first line is the start tag lesson symbol question mark PHP. Then after that dollar connection is equal to MySQL I. So XAMPP server you can use MySQL. Here in XAMPP server you have to use MySQL I. So MySQL I underscore connect is the function predefined or system defined function which is used to connect your PHP and MySQL database using your connection string. It is nothing but localhost is your web server URL, then root is the root directory which you have created. I have created the root directory as demo, then this empty spaces it is for password option. So you are creating the connection string using this MySQL I underscore connect. Then after that, if the connection is not possible, so that is why I am using here exclamation symbol. If exclamation of dollar connection, if it is not able to establish the connection between PHP and MySQL, so you are printing. This is for the user understanding. You are printing the error like echo error. If the connection is established, then go to the next line of coding. Select the database MySQL I underscore select underscore DB. So this is nothing but another function which is used to select the database from the particular database. The database which I have created is demo. So I am changing that particular thing as demo. Database name is demo. Select the database from MySQL. The database name is demo using the connection string which we have mentioned in the line number 2. Then after that result dollar result. So all the variable in PHP, it will come with the particular symbol called dollar symbol. So dollar result is equal to MySQL I underscore query. So again, it is another function which is used to execute the query which is given inside the bracket. So again, we are referring the condition string, comma, select star from. So I have given the table name as test. So test or student. So you have to check properly the whether the table name is table name and also the name of the particular database. So select star from student. So the field name which I have given is name. And after that department number. Then after that age. So see the next line. You have a while loop. While dollar row. That means the records are stored in a form of array, rows and columns. So it has to select each row in that particular uh, table. So select, then after that you have MySQL I underscore fetch underscore array. So select star from student. This particular query fetch all the records in this particular table and store it in a particular variable called dollar result. So from the dollar result, so MySQL underscore fetch underscore array means this function used to retrieve all the data from that result variable, and it has to store by means of first row name, echo row name, then space echo row department number in echo and echo row, then after age. So first row, if it is printed, it will move the cursor to the next line, next record, second student. Again, it will print like name, department number, age. Again, one break. So again, next line. If it is come to an end, there is no more record because I have created only two records. Once it is read all these two records, this particular while loop come to an end. Then after that, so we have one more function which is used to the while loop ends here. After that, we are having another function called MySQL I underscore close underscore close of dollar connection. That means the connection is established in the second line by using web server localhost, then root directory, then password. That connection must be closed after retrieving the data. Then at the end, you have to close the PHP tag by closing it question mark greater than symbol. That's the simple code. So I am going to save it. So already select.php is the name for that particular file. Then after that, what I have to do is I have to make sure the table name and the database name. So demo is my table name and demo is my database name and student is my table name. So now I have to make sure both are correct in my program. So student demo, this is my database name and this is my table name. Now I am going to execute the program. So open the browser. So localhost. So you can type it localhost followed by demo. Localhost slash demo. So before that you have to save the file also. So you have to save the select file. So select the that particular file. Go to the save as option. Go to that C colon. Go to XAMPP folder. Go to htdocs. Go to demo folder. Save this particular file as select.php. Then save as all files option. Save. Now you have to refresh this particular page. Now you can see your select.php. Just click that select.php. You will see the result of your program. So the command also coming here as an output. So you can remove it. Again, you can refresh and see the output of your program. So each and every time you have to refresh before you are going to execute the program, you have to refresh the localhost page URL. Now you can see. So Anand 19 is a 001, age 19. Ramesh 19 is a 001, age 19. So which is stored in my backend. The database name is Anand and sorry demo, and the name is student, which I am retrieving it by using my PHP code. So this is the output. This is how you have to retrieve the data from your MySQL database using your PHP code, and the result we can view it in the web browser. So thank you so much for your patient watching and listening. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you.